Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word minutes in English. So here's the script from the dictionary. That mark top left, the blue mark, tells us that we stress the first syllable, and that blue dot in the middle tells us we divide this word into two chunks, two syllables. So strongest at the beginning, repeat after me, minutes. So thinking about that first syllable, we've got the m, a short I, and then the n. So there's quite a lot that's happening up around the nose here. So we've really got to be careful what we're doing to block off the airflow. With the first sound, m, the lips are together, and with the n, we block it by raising the tongue. So it should be quite nasal. Min. So repeat after me, min. Syllable 2 is normally where things, if they're going to go wrong, will occur, and we'll think about why in a moment when we look at the word written down. But focusing on the pronunciation for a second, we've got the short I and then this nice ts cluster. Ts. So putting that back together, repeat after me, it's. Again, it's. So all together it's minutes. And thinking now about where errors tend to occur, remember the pronunciation was minutes, and we see the word written down, min, okay, that seems clear, but the end of this word, the way it's written, can trick us into thinking we could pronounce it differently. So we're aiming for it's at the end. The U quite often catches people out. We don't want to try and make any sort of U or sound. It's an I. Minutes. And the other thing is, if you're not having enough air come out at the end, your S might get lost, and so it might sound singular rather than plural. So the singular form of this word is minute, and here we're looking at the plural, minutes. Okay, so top tip, don't say the U, it's just a short I in minutes. I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like and check out the playlist for lots of other example words to help you to catch those tiny errors that you might be making and to be understood more clearly. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.